Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stop motions on TikTok. So if you want to have a stop motion animations for your TikTok videos, you can just use this tool. First, you can open your TikTok apps and then you can hit on this plus icon and choose the durations that you want. I'm going to go with 15 seconds and click on effects. Let's click on effect again and find the tool options in here. Click on tool and under the tool choose this stop motion effect. So what you need to do here, you can see the instruction. You can tap screen to capture a frame, add more frames, and tap record button when you are done. So you can just tap on start. Okay, tap the screen to add frames and press record to see your animation. So I'm going to start with the first animations in our first frame, and then I'm going to move it, the lion in here again. You can see there is the shadow from the previous frame, so you can just do this until you like. So just repeat the steps. So I'm going to stop. After this, so I'm going to make the alliance spin in here, and then when you want to stop, just click on the red button, the record button, to see the result. So as you guys can see here, now the stop motion has been created. If you want to retake again, you can just go back, but if you are satisfied with the result, you can just hit on the check icon. Here you can add sticker, tags, song, or anything, and you can just tap on next to upload the TikTok video. You can use the hashtag stop motion, and here you can just write the caption, and you can use or add hashtag, another hashtag if you want to. You can add link, location, and after you're done, just click on post. And that's all for me. That's how you can create stop motions on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.